Hello, welcome to Chansamai kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you on how I made this honey chicken wing that's super delicious and very juicy. If you want to know how to make it, let's go ahead and get started. I have cut the chicken wing already, which is I also share a video prior to this one on how I cut my chicken wing, so you can check that out as well, alright? Put the chicken wing into the bowl. I'm adding about 1 to 2 teaspoons oil. Mix it together first and then add 1 small package of the Goya seasoning, 1 teaspoon onion powder, about half to 1 teaspoon garlic powder as well, about quarter teaspoon salt, and then just mix them together. You can use your hand or you can use a tongue like this, whichever way that's convenient for you, alright? We're just gonna mix everything until the seasoning are very well incorporated with the chicken. So again, let's look at this interesting statistic or fact about American people who like to eat chicken wing. I am probably one of the 20% of the people who like to eat them winged or the flat or the mid section. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the chicken wings into my Ninja Foodi Pro Tender Crisp pressure cooker. If you don't have one of this, you can certainly bake in the oven or you can cook in the air fryer, whatever way that convenient for you. I will try to spread it out and then close the lid. I bake at 375 for 15 minutes and I'm checking again. I'm trying to turn to the other side to make it cook more evenly. Alright, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. So once you're done, cook it again for about 10 minutes or so and then recheck again, okay? So while the chicken is cooking or baking, I'm gonna make the glaze, the honey glaze that we're gonna use to brush the chicken wing, that it make the chicken wing very delicious and juicy and super good. So I have 4 cloves of garlic here. I'm trying to mince it up. You can use the garlic presser to press that on or use the store-bought pre-chopped garlic in the water that came in the container. That is fine, whatever you like. And I'm using about 3/4 cup chicken stock, 1/3 cup soy sauce, and about 4 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Mix that together until they are very well combined. I grated some ginger, about a teaspoon or so in there. This will bring so much flavor into the chicken wing, okay? And you can smell all the fragrance from the different seasoning. It's so amazing. Add about a teaspoon cornstarch or potato starch or tapioca starch in there to make the glaze thicken, okay? We'll mix that together until there's no lump from the starch. Look at how beautiful is that. So if you like more sweeter, you can add more honey, but I'm okay with this amount. So we'll bring that over on the stove over medium or medium-low heat. Look at that, it's starting to get thickened, and we'll continue stirring. Make sure it doesn't burn or stick in the bottom of the pot. If we left that alone, it might get burned as well, alright? See, it's get thickened now. And the color is translucent into like light brown. So that is what we're looking for, but we're not done yet. Because I like it a little bit spicy or give a little bit kick to it, I'm adding about a teaspoon or so of red crushed pepper. And if you can't tolerate any spiciness, you can omit this part, okay? So that's how it look like. We'll set that aside and look at our chicken. It's cooked, and I save half of the chicken wing for my kids as they can't tolerate any spiciness. So I'm saving about half of it in here. So I will use the glaze that I made earlier to brush it on top or over it. Or you can just put all the chicken wing into the glaze and mix that together and then pour it back to the Ninja Foodi Pro or where the baking pan is. But I like to just brush it over it. If my leftover glaze is not used, I can save it for later use. So I will bake that for another 4 to 5 minutes. So this one is the one without the honey glaze, okay? It's still good as it is. Look at that, it's caramelized and it looks so delicious, so juicy. Oh my goodness. Now we'll transfer into the plate and I topping with a little bit of sesame seed just for presentation. Oh, look at that, how beautiful and golden brown. You can just enjoy this as it is or have it with some rice. Now it's time to give it a taste to see how delicious it is. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I just couldn't stop eating it. Bite after bite. Today I made honey chicken wing or spicy honey chicken wing. I hope you give it a try and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.